Intricate Devo, intricate.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Intricate Devo, the place where complicated programming concepts become super easy to understand. Today we are diving into something every Java developer uses almost every single day: Java packages and Java API. But wait, what exactly is package? Why do we import things in Java? And what magic happens when we type import java.util.Scanner? By the end of this video, you will understand package like a pro, and trust me, once this clicks, your Java code journey becomes much cleaner and more professional. So grab your coffee, open your IDE, and let's get started. Imagine your computer without folders, picture mixed with songs, documents mixed with games, total chaos, right? That's exactly what happened in Java without packages. A package in Java is simply a way to group related classes together. Think of it like folders on your computer. For example, utility tools go into the one folder, network tools go into another, database related classes go somewhere else. This helps Java developers avoid name conflicts, organize code properly, maintain large application easily. And trust me, when projects become huge, packages become lifesaver. In Java, packages are divided into two major categories: built-in package, user-defined packages. Built-in package. These are the packages already created by the Java. They came with thousands of ready-made classes. This collection is called Java API. User-defined packages. These are the packages you create yourself to organize your own code. So basically, Java gives you a powerful built-in tool and you can create your own custom folders too. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about the Java API. API stands for Application Programming Interface, but don't let the fancy name scare you. In simple words, Java API is a GAINT library full of pre-written Java classes. It already contains code for user input, collections, network, file handling, database programming, date and time, and much more. So instead of reinventing the wheel, Java lets you reuse existing powerful code, and that is one of the biggest superpower of the Java. Now here comes the important part. How do we actually use these classes? The answer is simple. We import them. Import java.util.Scanner. This line tells Java, hey Java, I want to use scanner class from java.util.package. And what does scanner do? It allows us to take user input from the keyboard. Scanner, my object is equal to new scanner system.in. Here we create a new scanner object, and using this object we can read input like names, numbers, and sentence. String username equals my object.next line. This read an entire line entered by the user. Then we simply print it. System.out.println username is plus username. Boom, your user interaction achieved. Now imagine importing every single class one by one. That would be annoying. So Java gives you a shortcut: import java.util.star. Asterisk means import everything from his package. So now we can use scanner, released, hash map, date, and many more classes without separate import. Super convenient. But in professional project, developers usually import only the classes they need for cleaner code. Now here something interesting. There one package Java imports automatically, and that package is java.lang. This package contains the most essential classes in Java like string, system, object, integer. That's why you can directly use system.out.println without importing anything. Java already did the work for you. Now let's create our own package. Package mypack. This line must be written at very top of the line. It tells Java that this class belongs to a package named mypack. Package mypack class, mypackage class, public static void main, string args, system.out.println. This is my package. And here the important part: the Java file should be stored inside the folder name exactly like the package. So package name equals mypack, folder name mypack. Java loves organization. Think about the shopping mall. Different stores are separated into categories: food court, clothing, electronics, gaming. Packages work exactly the same way. They help Java organize classes into meaningful groups, and when application become massive, organization become everything. Let's quickly revise the what we learned today. Packages organize related classes. Packages avoid naming conflicts. Java API gives ready-made classes. We use import to class access the classes. Java.lang is imported automatically. We can create our own custom package, and now you officially understand one of the core foundational of professional Java programming. If this video made Java packages finally click in your brain, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Devo, and share this video with your coding friends because learning together is always more fun. Also comment below which Java topic should we explain next. Thanks for watching, keep coding, keep building, and I will see you in the next video.